She didn't tell me to put it in neutral, but I did because I already know. It said they could actually tell. Well, they couldn't tell. I was gonna say they could tell if your brakes were on, but you might have it in park, and then they wouldn't be able to know.
And it wouldn't make it move either.
Nobody behind us.
Get
Oh,
lost.
it was. We hit the back of the line. Nice. It's funny, it says antenna down. I don't think they make cars with retractable antennas anymore.
Probably not.
And don't forget, he's going to be on Saturday nights, Grand Ole Opry. You can listen, Willie's Roadhouse, Channel 59. It's Tim
Yeah,
Ashley
I
on
get a lot of
Prime
bugs
Country
because I
on
only come
Sirius
every once in a
XM. So
while.
it's going to be a very busy weekend, and a lot of people think the weekend is starting today, apparently. Like if you're a golfer, the PGA FedEx Cup
But I
playoff
figure,
chase
hey, well,
started
you know,
today. Northern Trust
I got,
Tournament in New Jersey is the first of 4 events in the playoffs for the FedEx Cup.
They're paying me a lot of money, so
$1 million prize. Now,
I
you've
can
got
keep
a
my
decent
car
job
halfway
that might
clean.
be getting in the way. Just sit on the couch and check it out, but you won't miss anything. PGA Tour Radio, Series 208.
See, she's not putting anything over my rear wiper. She is wiping the back down. Oh, now she is. You got about 30 seconds there, lady, to get that on there. Well, she put it on. I don't really